Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This car has it all. It is loaded with options, including the 442 package. It's a Ram Air 455. They've updated it with a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It has air, power windows, completely restored, convertible. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars, and they're all for sale. This is a good one. You're going to want to get there quick before someone beats you to it. But for right now, come with me. The top's down. Let's go for a spin in this 72 442. I say this car has it all. I really mean it. Look at the receipts. I started reading through. I read most of them. Everything's redone in this car. Go to our website and look at the photos underneath. The whole front end is rebuilt and all detailed in the right finishes. Shocks, springs, ball joints, it's all new. New disc brakes up front. In back, it's got the aluminum W27 rear end cover. It's got the sway bars with the box control arms. Custom dual exhaust coming right out the back through the bumper here. Rebuilt motor with a little performance upgrades. There's a receipt to convert this to the overdrive transmission. The guy spent over $4,800 just 2 months ago. It's almost $5,000 just in the transmission. Everything's new. The body was professionally painted. The receipt's in there, and it's gorgeous. It's all smooth. There's no rust, no bubbles, no cracking. Actually, I haven't seen a flaw. Actually, it even feels real slick. Feels like Teflon. It is like orange glass. Pretty certain this is the original color, because down in here where it has the original paint, it's same color, so it was born this way. It's a W30 clone. They have all the correct striping, and a lot of guys mess those stripes up. This guy did a really nice job laying out the stripes, W30 emblems, and it has the red inner fenders, and of course the Ram Air hood. That's all part of the W30 package. And reading the receipts, everything's new. The bezels, the grills, the emblem, the bumpers, the hood hold downs, the trim, the moldings around the windshield. It's all new. The trim on the wheels. The windshield is new. It has the sport mirrors. All the weather strips and window seals are new. Look how it's painted. The hardware, the latches are detailed. The sill plates are new. Convertible tops, a white top that's new. The frame's painted, all the rubber's new. Got the spoiler on the back, new taillight lenses, emblems. The emblems are spaced properly. Trunk compartment's perfectly clean metal. I was even poking around up here looking for seams. I couldn't find any. Has a nice, durable spatter finish. A real nice durable coat. New well liner. It's got a stereo system. There's a receipt for $3,000 for the stereo. Here's an amplifier, subwoofer, CD changer. Looks like it has a XM satellite, but it's missing the device, so you have to contact XM and get that all activated, but it's set up for that. The interior is all new. I mean new springs, new cushions, new upholstery, new headrests, new seat backs, new door panels, new armrests, new deluxe steering wheel, all new rally gauges, has the tick-tock tachometer, Edelbrock intake and carburetor with electric choke. Air conditioning is cold. The power brake system is new. Everything under here is detailed. This is show quality. All the wiring's neat and tidy. The radiator, the fan, the shroud, it's all in excellent shape. New carpet. It's got the 442 floor mats. It's got molded speakers in the kick panels with tweeters. I don't know if I mentioned it has power windows. So this is a comfortable muscle car. This is one you get in, you just drive all day long. It's comfortable, it's easy to drive. Even the little shift indicator they changed so it aligns with the overdrive. So your gauges are new. Steering wheel, visors are new. Even the little chrome hooks that latch to the top, I found the receipt for that. This guy spent a fortune redoing this car. And that is a show quality body and paint finish. New windshield. Sounds real nice. It's a South Carolina car. It's where it's out of. Looks like we have one tail light bulb out. Car just arrived a day ago. It still needs to run through the shop for service. I say it's the Lamborghini of muscle cars. Look at the stripes and big hood scoops, a wing on the trunk. This thing looks fast just sitting still. Convertible. What's missing here? Nothing. It's sharp, it's restored, it's clean, it's got all the options. And I think it's priced real fair. I bet this car doesn't last 2 weeks. So hopefully you can get to volocars.com real fast. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. My staff will answer any questions they can about the car, about the shipping, the financing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these cars as we put the videos out there. And I do appreciate everyone who's been watching, and do come back for more. There'll be plenty of them.